Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the security. Let's tap on it. Right now in the device security on the second position we've got fingerprint, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint, and this is the step in which we will have to choose the additional screen lock. You can choose the pattern pin or password, whatever you want, but you have to do it because it is let's say a backup screen lock method, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device, because if not, you will have to go through hard reset operation, which will wipe out all the data, including your personal data, for example like photos. So just be sure that you will remember it, and let's pick something. I will pick the pattern, so simply tap on the option you'd like to use. Let's draw out the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And here you can decide what kind of notification content you want to show on the lock screen. So you can show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. So all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use and make sure that it is marked. So I will pick the second option, it is marked, so I can tap on done. Here we've got the info that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint. So all you have to do is simply tap on setup. And right now we have to find the sensor, and the sensor is located on the back of our device. It's right here. So let me put my finger on it. Let's do it. And as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see, it's very simple. I've just added the fingerprint to it. If you would like to add another, just tap here. If not, tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon, or rename it just by tapping on it, and it's quite a cool option, so you can do it. Of course, you can add another fingerprint here. So actually this is the whole, let's say, customization of the fingerprint. Now let's check if it will work. So let me lock this device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, you will be able to unlock it another way, just by using the pattern pin or password you just set. As you can see, I can do it freely. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.